Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to take some old pallets and turn them into beautiful garden planter boxes with herbs in it. Please do like and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. Let's get started. Now we're going to remove this one, that one and that one. So every second one to get them off in one piece. So I'll just use my hammer.
Yeah, how's that working for you, Eric? It's a brand new pallet, so it won't work. Stop playing around and let's move on. We need some power tools. We need a bayonet saw. That's right. Now the job should be quite easy. Alright, come on, Eric. People are starting to get bored. Let's move on. Right, okay, so you want to show us how to move all of them.
Right, I just found a much better way to do it. Hammer, piece of timber.
Nice. This is also an old rotten pallet, that's why it's so easy.
And there you go. That was much quicker. We've taken these off the back and we're going to use these on the side to fill the gap right here.
We're pre-drilling all the holes for the screws because this pallet wood can easily split. We're using stainless steel screws for this. Do the exact same thing on the opposite side.
Now I just need a little piece up here, and that's about 20 centimeters. So I've marked 20 centimeters on the third board and 20 centimeters, and these small bits are gonna sit behind, so we got something to screw the pieces together with. And we'll just need to do that on the other side and we are good to go.
Now if you're planting herbs, you don't want to paint the inside of the pallet, or you could use some organic paint. But if you're planting flowers, it doesn't really matter.
We pinned the pellets and now we're ready to put on this fiber text. We're going to put on 2 layers of this. Don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right. Yeah, so I'ma figure out what else we succeed and then invest all of my time.
Pull the ends like this and secure them with some staples.
We've stapled all the fiber text and now we're just going to cut off the excess with a Stanley knife. We'll do the same on the sides. If you do have a few loose parts right here, you can always give it a few extra to keep it in place.
And now we're ready to plant the herbs. We have oregano, basil, and thyme. Fill the whole pallet with plant compost, clean the pellets, and now it's time to plant the herbs. I'm planting the herbs on a slight angle.
They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into